Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Beatrice. This class is for you if you have any wrist pain and you can't put any pressure on your wrists. It's going to be a flow, but obviously without any strain for your hands, fingers and wrists. You don't need any props, all you need is yourself, maybe your yoga mat, and go ahead and come practice with me. We're starting this class from seated, any seat that's comfortable for you. The most important thing is that you're feeling grounded into both sitting bones. Hands can come down to your knees or in your lap. And for this one, let's have the palms facing up so you can soften the hands and the wrists a little bit more and let the shoulders fall down, away from the head. And if you feel comfortable, you can close your eyes. Otherwise, a soft gaze in front of you. It's also fine. Just taking a couple of moments to feel into the breath. Bring your attention to the in-breath and out-breath and let flow. No need to change your breath. Just staying with your natural breath, with your natural rhythm. Trying to maintain a soft, deep breath throughout the practice. Bringing about a little bit of movement to start with by dropping the chin down to the chest and then bringing the right ear out to the right shoulder. Exhale to drop the chin down and left ear to left shoulder. We just keep semicircles for this practice. And just a few in your own time with your own breath. Exhaling to bring the chin down. Inhaling to bring the chin down and exhaling to go to the side. And if you feel there's a sticky spot, a spot in which you feel a little bit of tenderness, maybe you can hold there for a couple of breaths and see if you can let go of tension. Bring the chin back down to the chest, and on your inhale, lift the head back up over the shoulders. Let the palms come down to the knees, and on your inhale, open the chest wide. Find an extension of the spine. Exhale and round. Look back down towards your navel. Inhale, open the heart, extend your spine. Exhale, round. Inhale, open. Exhale and round. Inhale, come back to center. Take an exhale here. And on your inhale, lift the arms up. Exhale, take yourself out to the left. So we are twisting to the right. Left hand on your knee, right arm behind you. Taking a twist. Inhale into the center, keep it flowing, and exhale to the left. Inhale through center, exhale right. Inhale through center, trying to keep the hands and wrists as soft as possible, exhaling left. Just one more each side. Inhale through center, exhale right. Inhale through to center, And last one to the left. On your inhale, come through to center and exhale to bring the palms together and down to your heart center. From here, making our way to child's pose. So making sure that you don't add any pressure to the hands. So any way that feels comfortable for you. I just like to bring a foot behind me and then shift forward. And you can obviously use the fingers for a second and bring yourself back to the back of your mat. Taking child's pose with the knees together and then extending the arms forward in front of you. If you have any knee pressure or any knee pain, bring something in between your sitting bones and your heels, a pillow, a block, anything that you have around the house to support your knees, and bring a little bit of space at the back of the knees. From your child's pose, walk the hands out to the left. Into a side bend. Doesn't have to be massive. Just as soon as you feel something through the right side body, stop there. And see if you can inhale a deeper breath to expand that right side of the body and bring about a little bit more sensation. Staying here, or threading the right arm underneath the left and bringing a little bit of openness to the right shoulder. Now roll back through center. And then move to the right, opening that left side of the body. And again, maybe bringing about a deeper inhale to expand that left side and feel a little bit more sensation. And if you want to, threading the left arm underneath the right this time and opening the back of your left shoulder. Roll this side as well. Come back through center. And on your inhale, see if you can lift all the way up to your knees and make your way to the top of the mat. Any way that feels comfortable for you. So you can come up onto your foot and the other foot and then walk forward. Exhale and fold forward over the legs. Hold on to opposite elbow, bend your knees and let your head be heavy. Maybe shift from side to side. Give yourself a little bit of movement. Trying to let the head and the shoulders nice and heavy and relatively relaxed. And from here, inhale, bring the hands to your shins, open up the heart. Exhale, fold back again. And inhale to unroll all the way up to standing, moving through the vertebrae. Exhale, open the chest and the palms. Inhale, lift the arms. Exhale and fold. Inhale into your halfway lift, hands to your shins. And exhale to fold once again. From here, step the right leg back and drop that back knee down to the ground. Come into low lunge. If you need padding for your knees, double up the mat, or again, bring a pillow underneath. Inhale, shift the hips back slightly, hug the hips back towards the glutes. So we can really find this strong lunge. Press the back foot down. Inhale, lift the arms if you want to, or keep them at your heart. Exhale, left arm back, right arm forward, twist to the side. Inhale through center, exhale other side. Right arm back, left arm forward. Inhale through to center, bring the palms down to your heart, press onto your front foot, tuck your back toes, and step back, forward. Exhale and fold. Inhale up to halfway lift. Exhale, this time left foot steps back into your low lunge. Drop that knee down. Press that front foot down as you shift the hips back. Hug them together. Really press that back foot down. Maybe lift the arms up or keep them at heart center. On your exhale, left arm back, right arm forward. Inhale through to center. Exhale, right arm back, left arm forward. Inhale through to center, bring the palms down. Press onto that front foot as you tuck your back toes, step forward. Exhale and fold. On your inhale, drop your hips back, bend the knees, come down to chair pose. Hug the belly in and keep the hands at your heart. Take a few breaths here, just 2 or 3 breaths. From here, step that left foot back, spin the back heel down, come into warrior two. Make sure the back foot is in line with the back of the mat. Front foot is in line with the inner arch of the back foot. Sink into that front knee, open the arms out, but this time palms facing up. And bring about a little bit of movement in the shoulders. As you inhale, palms up, exhale, palms down. Inhale up, exhale down. Keep sinking into that front knee. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale, palms up and stay. From here, straighten that front knee. Inhale, exhale, reach forward, still with the palms facing up. Shift the hips to the left and let the right hand come down to the inner side of your leg, left arm up. Triangle, keep the chest opening forward. Inhale, come through to center, keep bending into that front knee, come back to warrior two. Start to come onto the ball of your back foot into high lunge. Bring the hands together at your heart and step back forward into chair pose. Sink down. Step your right leg back now. Spin that back heel down. Back foot parallel with the back of the mat. Front foot in line with the inner arch of the back foot. Sink into that front knee. Palms up to begin with. And then exhale, palms down. Keep sinking forward. Inhale, palms up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Hold the warrior. Exhale, down. Inhale, up and stay. When you're ready, straighten that front knee. Exhale, shift the hips to the right and your upper body to the left. Let the left hand face out and touch the inside of your left leg. Fingertips of the right hand face up. You can face up or face down, doesn't matter, but open the chest out to the side. Inhale through to center, sink back down into warrior two, bend that front knee. Shift onto the ball of your back foot, come to a high lunge, arms up or at the chest. And from here, step back forward into chair pose. Hold it here, hug the belly button in. You can stay here. If this is challenging, stay. Otherwise, let's make this a balance. So you can start to come onto the toes of your right foot. Lift that leg off the ground and see if you can bring the ankle over the left knee. Keep flexing into that right foot and keep sinking down. Hands at your heart. Inhale, lift up and bring that foot down, shift into the other side. Come onto the toes of your left foot. Maybe cross that ankle over the right knee. Sink your hips down. Come back up, release and fold forwards. Inhale, find your halfway lift. This time as you exhale, bend the knees, drop the hips, see if you can bring the arms forward. Take a breath here. And on your exhale, open the knees out to the sides and drop yourself down to the floor. If you can't do that, come to the floor in any way that feels comfortable for you. And bring yourself to our last posture, butterfly. Bring the soles of the feet together. Knees go out to the side, or butterfly in yin, but actually bound angle, Baddha Konasana. Bring the feet as close to your sitting bones as you can. Make sure you're grounding through both sitting bones. And because we're not using our hands, trying to be as soft as possible with the grip. Inhale to open your heart, and either stay here or exhale to fold forwards. Inhale, lift up through center and bring yourself back to a comfortable seat. Let your hands come to the knees or in your lap. And maybe close your eyes once again just to notice how you're feeling. Staying here for as long as you need to. And when you're ready to come out, you can invite the palms to meet together at heart center. Exhaling to bow down and thank yourself. Thank you very much for taking this practice with me. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any requests, please let me know. Otherwise, if you enjoyed, please like and subscribe. Thank you.